Everybody loves original gifts. What about you? We're going to make a fabulous exploding box with a sweet donut decoration and awesome cards hidden inside. You can put a pretty little gift into the exploding box. It could be beauty products, jewelries, or something very special. Take colored cardboard 15 inches by 15 inches. The size of the box depends on the cardboard dimensions. Mark your cardboard every 5 inches along the border. Connect the marks with parallel lines. We've got the tic-tac-toe board. Draw a diagonal directed to the cardboard center in each corner square. Take the paper of the corner square size. Fold the diagonal and outline a heart half. The heart-shaped template is ready. Place it on the corner and trace. Carefully cut out. We've got 4 lovely hearts. Take another cardboard for a middle layer, 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches. Mark the paper every 4.5 inches. Connect the base with the straight lines to get the tic-tac-toe border pattern. Cut off the corner squares. We've got the plus sign shaped detail. The steps to making the inner layer are identical to the steps above. Just trim the cardboard to 12 inches by 12 inches. Create a tic-tac-toe board with 4-inch marks. Score the lines on the heart-featured base to fold the cardboard easily. Use an empty ballpoint pen. Fold the paper along the lines to create walls. Crease the hearts in this way. Score and fold the other layers. Assemble the eye-catching 3D base. Well, now we're going to start the most fascinating job, filling the box with stunning cards and origami boxes. Make the central element box. We could put a little gift or wish note inside. Take a colored paper square, 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Draw the diagonals to divide the square into 4 parts. Fold 2 opposite sides to the center to make a gatefold. Fold each corner into the center and crease well. Unfold and turn it over. Fold the right and bottom sides. Form a square out of the corner. Continue folding the other sides in the same way. We should get 4 small squares on the top. The box forms a star when opened. Fold the creases with a ruler to keep the shape. Erase the pencil. Fold the corner of each square to the edge to create a flap. This origami box looks untraditional. You can hide some secret gift inside. Let's make this secret present like a donut-shaped accessory. Trace any round-shaped object of the appropriate size on the felt. Make 2 identical details. Draw central circles. Cut them out. Now, make the same sponge detail. Sandwich the sponge between the felt details and hot glue. Carefully join the top and bottom sides to hide the sponge. Make a felt pink icing. Keep in mind the wavy edge to look real. Here should be the hole. Fold and cut it out. Attach the icing. Imitate sprinkles from colored felt strips. Hot glue The cute little donut looks so tasty and tempting. Fasten a keychain ring and a lovely little gift is ready. Take a safety pin to decorate your backpack or make a sweet brooch. To continue the confectionery theme, let's make a macaroon and donut double slider card. Take a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch color cardboard. Mark a 1/2 inch border around all 4 sides of the paper. Connect the marks. Measure and mark 1/16 inch along one border. Repeat for the opposite side. Cut out the narrow strips. You'll get 2 identical slits. Take plastic or a cellophane bag and trim a slider band of the appropriate size. Put it in through the slits. Secure the ends with multi-purpose glue. Give it a try to make sure that it moves freely. Apply the glue to the back of the slider and attach a colored paper square to overlap the card edge. Turn it over and attach the same square to the opposite side on the back. Try again to ensure the slider is still loose. Take a few strips of double-sided tape. Attach them to the top and bottom. Add a top piece that is the square of the same size as the base. Embellish it with the patterned paper. Pull out the hidden panels. Attach a donut's image to the top card. Add macaroon piles on the right and left. You can use stickers like we did or find images on the internet. Round the corners. Let's test the mechanism. Just move the slider back and forth. Cool! You can pop out the secret panels and hide them smoothly. Attach photos or write down a few warm words or love confession on the hidden panels to add an extra element of surprise to your card. Another mechanical card will separate and join 2 halves of a heart. Take a square piece of the scrapbook paper for a base and a wide paper strip of the contrast pattern for a slider. Mark and outline the window where the slider will move. Use a ruler. Cut out the window with the craft knife. Choose a paper heart of the appropriate size. Cut it out in half. Attach 1/2 to the double-sided foam tape on the left. Put the slider strip underneath. Attach the other heart half to the slider. Embellish the base. Make sure the heart half moves freely. Cut off the excess. Attach the double-sided tape to the top and bottom of the back. Round the corners. The cute sliding heart card could help reveal your affectionate feelings you are too shy to express. Just add a few words in the window that slides open. We continue making cool paper crafts. Let's fold another small origami box. Draw a circle with a pair of compasses. The diameter should not exceed 4 inches. Divide the circle into 6 equal 2-inch parts. Connect the marks. You'll get an equilateral hexagon. Draw the lines this way to get triangles. We've got a 6-point star. Then draw the lines directed to the center. Set the compasses into the intersection and draw a semicircle. Repeat on each side. Cut out carefully. We should get a 6-petal flower. Fold up each 2 petals. Score the middle of each petal to fold it in half. Crease each folding line. Fold up the box. The petals fold clockwise to create a beautiful pattern. Erase the pencil. The box may look intimidating, but it is really worth trying. Let's make a funny card embellished with amusing emojis. Take a strip of colored paper. Fold it in half lengthwise. Unfold. Turn one side down. Then turn it up. You'll get a cross in the center. Fold the strip along the creases to get an arrow-shaped detail. Attach it to a double-sided base with a 3-inch side. Close it up to glue the arrow to the cover. Fold the pattern paper strip in half. It should be a bit bigger than the base. Fold the edges to the central crease. Apply the glue to the right top corner of the pink detail and to the left bottom one. Attach the folded element to create a 3D triangle in the center. Thus, the card will be volumetric. Embellish the card with lovely emojis. You'll find the link in the video description. Add some stars. And a funny surprise card is ready. Add a few waggish wishes to cheer up the recipient. Now, let's place the awesome cards inside the exploding box. You can secure them using the white glue or double-sided tape. Each card can be a separate gift as it reveals a special message or a favorite image. Put in the layers one by one. Attach the central piece. The box is fascinating. Each wall is embellished with its own fabulous element. Put a lovely donut inside the central box. You can take any other gift of the appropriate size. Take colored cardstock 11 inches by 11 inches. We've measured and marked it to get a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch square in the center. The flaps will be 2 6/8 inches. Make 4 cuts in this way. Score the folding lines. Fold up every flap. Secure with the glue. We've got the lid. Embellish it with ribbons. Set the lid on the box. Let's see what we've got. Boom! Whoa! A great explosion! It's amazing! Every element moves and opens in a peculiar way. It's a great opportunity to be creative and to add your own personal touches. You can put a special gift inside the central box. We've chosen a charming handmade donut. Write in your comments what kind of gifts you like to get most of all. Subscribe to our channel. We load a new video twice a week. Join Troom Troom and have fun!